Hello everyone, today I'm going to review two types of highlighters. One of them is a powder highlighter and one of them is a cream highlighter. I'm sure most of you are confused about which one works better for you, and hopefully this video will help you pick one. So let's get started. So on the left side of my face, I'm going to use this liquid highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called the Beauty Light Wand. I'm just going to go in with 3 dots on my face and use a beauty blender to blend it out. And hopefully you can already see that little bit of glow that it's giving me. Actually quite an intense glow, not a little bit. And on the right side of my cheek, I'm going to go in with the powder highlighter, which is from Fenty Beauty. It's called Kilowatt. Actually, this has two sides. They have a little more shimmery side and a little bit more matte side. I'm going to go in with the shimmery side just to compare it better with the liquid highlighter. And if you can see also between the comparison, I chose to use a beauty blender with a liquid blush. In my opinion, I think it blends out more easily with a beauty blender when you use a, not liquid blush, sorry, liquid highlighter. While I prefer a brush for the powder highlighter because I think it dispenses the powder better. And if we're talking about longevity, I think they both last through the day, but definitely the liquid highlighter has a more intense, as you can see, more intense and pigmented glow, while the powder highlighter has something that looks a bit more natural, as if it's just a natural flush, a natural glow that's coming through. You could always add more highlighter if you want it to be more intense. You can add it under your brow bone, on the tip of your nose, your cupid's bow. You could even use it on your collarbones. Maybe the liquid highlighter would be easier to blend that one out. So there's multiple ways that you can continue further enhancing using the highlighter, but in my opinion, definitely the liquid highlighter is a lot more pigmented and intense than the powder highlighter. So I hope this video helped you with making the choice between powder and liquid highlighter. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching.